he's the bookies' favourite. Some big names still in there, but not most of the world's top 10. John McDonald can talk us through.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the quarter-final draw of the Coral UK Open. Tournament director Graham Fairhurst is ready to go, and we're joined by the 1983 champion of the world, Keith Deller, and part of our commentary team with ITV, Alan Warriner. So, Keith, can you get the action underway, please? Quarter-final draw. Number 6, Kim Huybrechts, will play number 4, Alan Norris. And our next quarter-final, number 1, that's Ian White, and he will play number 2, Gerwyn Price. Number 3, Simon Whitlock. He will play number 7, Daryl Gurney. One remaining quarter-final, as number 8, Peter Wright, will play number 5, Raymond van Barneveld. That concludes our quarter-final draw for the Coral UK Open. Thank you.
I think the crowd reaction said everything you needed to know then. Peter Wright versus Raymond van Barneveld. A couple of huge names there. That's the draw for the quarterfinals. Reaction to come right after the break.